I thought the best part of the setup was going to be the look, like the mist, the reflections, the way it changed the image, and that does matter, but after actually using it, that is not the best thing that stood out to me. The best part is how little it gets in the way, because normally filters can be a little annoying. You want the results, but getting there slows you down. You have to stop, thread something on, thread something off, put it away, grab another, and hope you don't miss the shot while you're doing all that. And it breaks rhythm. And I used to think that was part of it, that if you wanted the look, you had to deal with the slowdown. But this setup fixes that. The Urth magnetic system starts with either a threaded magnetic UV filter or a threaded adapter ring as the base. Once that is on the lens, the rest of the filters just snap into place. Quick on, quick off, no fighting with threads every time you want to make a change. One thing to know, especially with the Essentials kit, is that you have two possible bases, the UV filter and the adapter ring. When I'm out shooting, I don't want to break the flow just because the light changed or because I want to shift the feeling of the image. I want to stay present. I want to stay connected to what is happening around me because, moments do happen faster than you want them to. And this system makes that easier because I can move fast. If I want the ethereal white mist for a softer, dreamier image with a little bloom in the highlights, it snaps on. If I want the CPO to cut reflections from windows and add a little more color and contrast, it snaps on. And if I need ND so I can keep my settings where I want them in a bright condition, that snaps on as well. What I did not expect is how much this changes the experience of using filters, because now I'm more likely to actually use them, more likely to make the adjustments. I'm more likely to stay in the moment instead of putting it off because I don't feel like dealing with the hassle. The other thing I wanted to test was whether the magnetic connection actually feels secure, because speed is nice, but not if the whole thing feels sketchy. But once these are on, they're solid. And then there's the image itself. The white mist can take the edge off the digital feel and soften highlights in a way that feels more cinematic. The CPO helps control glare and reflection in situations where that really changes the frame. And there is such a thing as too much polarization, which I have noticed with these filters. So you do want to monitor your images while you're using it. And the ND is just practical for exposure control without compromising shutter speed or aperture. You don't have to worry about the cross pattern when you are going between a ND range or a variable ND range. That is what stood out to me. Not just the filters can make an image feel better, but that the whole system makes using filters feel easier, faster, and more natural in the first place. The best part of this setup is not just the look. It is that it helps you keep shooting. And if you want to see what I started noticing in the actual image after spending more time with these filters, watch the next video. That one gets more into the subtle side of what these are doing to the footage. You can find the links to everything down in the description. Below the like and subscribe. Give those some love. Stay awesome.